I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the basics are ready so setup moves fast. Update iOS, sign into your Apple ID, and enable iCloud backup so settings and data sync automatically. Next, set Face ID or Touch ID plus a strong passcode to secure quick access. Once done, open Settings, review privacy permissions, and allow necessary app access so notifications and location services work. These steps reduce repeated prompts later and make the phone immediately usable for efficient workflows. You now customize core interfaces to save time. Edit Control Center to include low power, notes, and wallet so one swipe handles frequent needs. Then create focus modes, work, personal, with tailored home screen pages and allowed apps. This reduces distractions and surfaces relevant widgets. Next, build shortcuts for repeat actions like messaging your IDA or starting a playlist. Automations trigger them by time or location. Make sure widgets show actionable info so you act without opening apps, which speeds every interaction. Finish by tuning performance and learning gestures. Turn off background app refresh for non-essential apps and use low-power scheduling to extend battery during heavy days. Practice gestures, the app switcher, swipe to go back, and reachability to reach the top of the screen quickly. Make sure widgets and notifications display critical info only so alerts aren't noisy. If something breaks, force restart first. If connectivity or sync fails, reset network settings and sign out/in of iCloud as a single reliable troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.